Hello, everyone. I'm Quinzel Chestnut. Welcome to the Chestnut Academy. Today is May 5th of 2020, and I'm here with Noelle Chestnut, who's getting ready to take her U.S. Geography final exam in front of you all. I'm also here with her little sister, Sarah Chestnut, who is playing her tablet right now. If everyone wants to say hi, say hi.
Hi.
All right. That said, just so everyone knows, what's going to happen is Noelle, for this U.S. Geography final exam, she is going to first recite all 50 states as I point to them on the map. The next thing she'll do is she'll go back and then recite all 50 state capitals as I point to the state on the map. Then the third phase, she will go and recite all 50 state nicknames as I point to them on the map. And then she'll give me every single state bird as I point to the state on the map. And you guys will see all of this because we're going to share our screen with you. That said, I'll go ahead and share the screen now. Excellent. And we are going to start in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Maine, New Hampshire, Vermont, Massachusetts, Rhode Island, Connecticut, New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, Delaware, Maryland, West Virginia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Georgia, Florida, Alabama, Mississippi, Louisiana, Arkansas, Texas, New Mexico, Colorado, Wyoming, Montana, Idaho, Utah, Arizona, Nevada, the capital of...
Whoa, what state is this?
Is it of California, Oregon, Washington, Alaska, Hawaii, Oklahoma, Kansas, Nebraska, South Dakota, North Dakota, Minnesota, Wisconsin, Michigan, Ohio, Indiana, Illinois, Iowa, Missouri, Frankfurt, Kentucky, Tennessee.
Make sure you're speaking up so everyone can hear you loudly. All right, so that was 1 minute and 37 seconds. Now phase 2, state capitals, go.
Augusta, Montpelier,
Say it louder.
Boston,
Come on.
I'm thinking. Dad.
Come on, Noelle. Come on.
Okay, Rhode Island, Connecticut.
Noelle, what's the capital?
Providence, Hartford, Albany, Trenton, Harrisburg, Dover, Annapolis, Charleston, Richmond, Raleigh, Columbia, Atlanta, Tallahassee, Montgomery, Jackson, Baton Rouge, I'm thinking, Daddy.
And say it out loud.
The capital of Arkansas is Little Rock. Austin.
Wait, what did you say this was?
Austin.
Okay, cool. All right.
Is it Santa Fe? Denver?
Come on.
I'm thinking, the capital of Wyoming is Cheyenne. Helena, Boise. Salt Lake City, Phoenix. Carson City. The capital of
Well, then look at it.
the capital of
Let me ask you this. What's the nickname of the state? Okay. If it's the Golden State, then which state is it?
I know the capital is definitely Sacramento.
Okay, then that was the answer.
California.
No, but Noelle, the capital is definitely what? You just said. Then that's the question that you were answering.
Oh,
All right, come on, let's go. Come on, let's go. Come on. You're on the clock, Noelle. Come on, let's go.
Okay. Salem, Olympia, Juneau.
Come on, just say it out loud.
The capital of Hawaii is Honolulu. Oklahoma City. Topeka, Lincoln, Pierre, Bismarck.
Come on, Noelle, you said it earlier. You said it earlier. Yes, you did. But come on.
St. Paul.
Thank you. Come on, Noelle, say it. Say it. No, you already said it. Noelle should just say it. Noelle, just say the capital. Thank you.
Lansing. The capital of Ohio is Columbus. Indianapolis. Springfield. Des Moines. Jefferson City. Frankfurt. Nashville.
8 minutes and 5 seconds. That's halftime. Now begin the third quarter. State nicknames. Come on, let's go, Noelle. State nicknames. Let's go.
Pine Tree State, Granite State, Rain Mountain State, Bay State, the Ocean State, the Constitution State, the Empire State, the Garden State, the Keystone State, the First State, the Old Line State, Um,
Come on, Noelle.
I'm thinking, Daddy. The mountain state, the mount,
Okay. Go, Noelle.
the Old Dominion state.
Yes. Keep going. Keep going. I'm listening. Just make sure everyone can hear you.
Okay, Daddy. The Hard Hills, the Tar Heel state,
You said what?
the Tar Heel state,
All right.
the Palmetto state, the Peach state, the Sunshine state, the Yellowhammer state, the Magnolia state, the Pelican state, the Natural state, the Lone Star state, the Land of Enchantment, the Centennial state, the Equality state, the Treasure state, the Gem state, the Beehive state, the Grand Canyon state, the Silver state, the Golden state,
Did you say this one?
no, not yet. The Beaver state, the Evergreen state, the Lost Frontier, the Aloha state.
Say it again.
Aloha state.
Thank you. Okay.
The Sooner state, the Sunflower state,
I'm following you. What is it?
Daddy, are we allowed to have Lifeline on the show?
No, baby. Come on. You got it. What is it, Noelle?
The Cornhusker state, the Mount Rushmore state, the Peace Garden state, the North Star state, the Badger state, the Great Lakes state, the Buckeye state, the Hoosier state, the Prairie state, the Hawkeye state, the Shawnee state, the Bluegrass state, the Volunteer state.
All right. Last quarter, fourth quarter. Birds. Go ahead and start. Go ahead and start, Noelle.
Okay. Black-capped chickadee, purple finch, hermit thrush, black-capped chickadee, the Rhode Island red, the American robin, eastern bluebird, eastern goldfinch, ruffed grouse, the
All right, then do this one first. Bird.
The Baltimore Oriole.
Bird. Okay.
The blue hen.
Thank you.
The blue hen chicken.
Thank you. Say it louder. All right. So bird.
Cardinal. Wait,
Yeah. Go ahead. So now this one. What's that bird?
the Carolina wren, brown thrasher.
Come on, Noelle. Bird.
Oh, mockingbird. The yellow hammer. Mockingbird. Brown pelican. Roadrunner.
Come on.
Lark bunting. Western meadowlark.
No.
Western meadowlark. Mountain bluebird.
Oh, I actually meant to go here next, but okay, good job. So what's this one? Say it.
The California gold.
Thank you.
Cactus wren.
Now give me this one. Yeah, I just did it out of order. Now give me that one.
Okay, mountain bluebird.
Say it louder so everyone can hear you.
Mountain bluebird.
All right, this one. Bird.
California quail.
California what?
California quail.
Okay, good job. All right, this one. Where's things at? Come on, go.
American.
Come on, Noelle. Come on, Noelle.
Eastern.
Come on, Noelle. No, Noelle. Come on.
Oh.
Bird.
Western meadowlark.
Thank you.
American goldfinch.
Thank you. You're close. Come on. You're almost done.
Okay. The willow ptarmigan.
Yep. She might. The nene, also known as the
Hawaiian goose.
Good job. You might break this in 20 minutes. Come on, let's do it.
Scissor-tail flycatcher.
Okay.
Western meadowlark.
Yep.
Western meadowlark. Ring-necked pheasant. Western meadowlark. Common lamb. American goldfinch.
No. You had it close. Come on, Noelle. Yeah, come on, Noelle. Come on. You got this.
Eastern.
No, Noelle.
American bluebird.
There's no American bluebird. Come on, Noelle. Don't guess. You know what it is.
I don't.
You do though. You do. I promise you do. I know you do. I know you do. I absolutely know you know this. Come on.
I do.
Yes. Okay. Give me this one or this one. Come on.
I don't know neither.
Come on. I don't want to give you any hints, Noelle.
I'm trying.
Come on.
Wait. American.
Say it.
American robin.
Okay, so that's American robin, and what's this one?
That's American.
Thank you very much. I knew you were gonna get it. Come on, let's go. Bird, you're close, Noelle. You're gonna do this in 20 minutes.
Okay.
Come on, I know you.
Cardinal, northern cardinal.
You're so close. You're 4 away. 4 away. Come on.
Okay, I'm trying. Is it the whole wait.
Noelle, come on, sweetie.
I'm
Come on.
trying. Is it the American Olympics?
Yes. And then this one is.
The
Come on.
that one's the Eastern Bluebird.
Thank you. What's this one?
That one I think is a mockingbird.
No.
Then is it a cardinal?
Yes. And then what's this one?
Mockingbird.
Yes. 19 minutes and 49 seconds. That concludes. Noelle's, it concludes your final exam for U.S. Geography. So congratulations. You have recited all 200 answers accurately in less than 20 minutes. So if you, we're gonna share this recording with everyone. Congratulate Noelle the next time you talk to her. She just did that. Thanks, Noelle. Congratulations.
Thank you, Dad.